Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to break down a live EURUSD scalp trade I took this morning on the 1-minute chart using Lux Algo liquidity pools. This is a real trade, real levels, and I'm going to walk you through exactly what I saw and why I took it. Let's get into it. So here's the setup. We're looking at EURUSD on the 1-minute time frame, and I've got Lux Algo liquidity pools loaded up. Now, what this indicator does is it identifies areas where liquidity is setting, basically where the big players are likely to push price into before reversing. You can see we've got two main zones on the chart. The red/pink zone up top, that's our supply zone or resistance liquidity pool, and the green zone below, that's the demand zone, the support liquidity pool. These are the areas I'm watching for price to react. Alright, so in the first screenshot, this is around 754 UTC. Price had already sold off hard from the red zone up near 1.1720. It dropped all the way down and tapped into that green zone around 1.1680. What I noticed here was a potential bounce setup. Price swept the liquidity below, and I was watching for confirmation to go long, looking for a bullish reaction off that green zone. The current price at this point is sitting at 1.16970, and you can see price is already starting to push back up. The setup was liquidity sweep below, reaction, long entry, targeting the red zone above. This is classic liquidity engineering. Price hunts the stops below, then reverses. Now fast forward about 2 minutes to the second screenshot. It's now 9:36 UTC, and this is the bigger picture of what happened. Price rallied all the way up into that red supply zone near 1.1720 to 1.1730, which was our target. Then, exactly as expected, it got rejected hard from that resistance liquidity pool and sold off aggressively. By the time I captured this, price is back down to 1.16878, forming a clear lower high structure. The entire move played out beautifully. 1. Sweep the demand zone. 2. Bounce and rally to supply. 3. Rejection and reversal from supply. This is textbook liquidity pool trading. So what are the lessons here? Number 1, always wait for price to react at the liquidity zone. Don't just blindly buy the zone. Number 2, the Lux Algo liquidity pools indicator gives you a clear visual of where these areas are, which makes planning the trade much easier. And number 3, on a 1-minute chart, these moves happen fast. You need to be ready with your levels pre-marked before price gets there. The risk to reward on this setup was solid, targeting a zone that was clearly defined with a tight stop below the demand area. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments what pairs you're trading this week. I'll see you in the next one.